Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you MX app how to pay with points. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to pay with points on MX, what you need to do is simply launch the application and then tap on the login and enter in your user ID, your password, and tap on login with your account. If you have registered with your Face ID, simply tap on the option that says login with Face ID and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the card you want to use. Then once you tap on the card, what you need to do is simply head over and select rewards, and then inside rewards select use points. Then inside use points select pay with points or use points for charges. Then choose how you want to apply the points by paying your statement balance, which covers full or partial charges, or make purchases online if using points at an eligible retailer. Then next is to enter the amount of points you want to use, and lastly review all the details and then confirm the redemption. You can also pay with points online through your browser by logging in to americanexpress.com. Then once logged in, go to the rewards section, then select use points and then select pay with points. Then select the charges or purchases you want to pay with or for using points, and once that's done, simply confirm your selection, and that's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.